Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. For this unit, it's called the holographic and adversing projectors. So let me give the measurements first. For the spinning, this one will be about like a 20.5 inches wide entire length. And the units, they come in with a full blades. They come with all the LEDs on it, and they can display as a graphic and like a pictures, like moving graphics to display. And you can mount these units on top of the wall. And for the connections, they come in with a manufactured power connect plugs, standard with a 110, and also having a manual books to showing you how to program it. So you can download the app on the phone and to upload the pictures you want, and they can display for you. And also they have accessories, come with a USB, and also having the screws for you to easy to mount on the wall. And for these units, for the connections, we can see they have a back mount, the supports right here, and its motors spinning pretty smooth. And on top of the units, they have a small connections. You can download the graphics right here too. This memory card. Okay, this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.